Hi, I'm Kelly. Would you like to know how to make an ABC Kids story video like this one in just minutes, with consistent characters? It's fun and easy, and you can make videos up to 30 minutes long. Let me show you how we made this ABC Kids story video in just minutes. You can get started for free. Click on the link in the description and follow along. The AI tool we'll be using today is called Magic Light. We'll be moving fast, so feel free to pause the video at any time. Also, we have more videos on basic editing and tips and tricks. So, if you want to watch those first, the links are below. Let's go! Click Create Video. Select Landscape, English and Disney Style. Click on Basic Script. For the story, just copy the partial story in the description and paste it in here. Click Next. Okay, here's the script. You can see the number of shots and the number of credits it will take to create this story. Click Next. This is where we select or create the consistent characters. Let's just click AutoCast. You can change, edit, or add characters here. I like to add a few more extra characters in case I need them. Once you're happy with your characters, click Next. It will take a few minutes for the AI to create the storyboard, complete with all the scenes. This is truly magical, right? So, this is where you can really get creative with editing the script, selecting voiceovers, generating new images, and animating videos. How much time you spend here is really up to you. To learn more about editing and even getting some tips, like how to extend your storybook video to over 30 minutes for free, check the links below. Since this video is for educating young minds, I wanted it to be perfect. So, I spent about an hour editing. I should also mention that this example we've been working on together is a storybook-style video, using still images. You can also animate these images, but it will take more time and more credits. I created a second version of this ABC Kids story with some animated scenes so you can see the difference. Here's an estimate of the time and credits needed to make the two different types of videos. Of course, animated scenes are more engaging, but if you keep your scenes short, storybook videos are great. If you would like to animate your scenes, watch our other videos which will walk you through that process and show you how to use AI, good prompting, and voiceover animations to save credits. Okay, so, once you're done with your editing work, click Next. It will take a couple of minutes to merge all the scenes into one video. Here's where you select the cover image, title and title style. Click Subtitle Settings and pick a style you like. Click Background Music and pick a song you like, or select None at the top. You can also adjust the volume of the music. When you're happy with all that, click Generate. Once it's finished creating your final cut, download the video and download all the images for all of the scenes. You can also click Publish to share your video on this platform. That's it. We're done. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Now, let's enjoy this video we made together. This version includes the scenes I animated, so you can see the difference between static and animated scenes. I would love to know what you think about the differences between storybook-style scenes and animated scenes, so feel free to leave a comment or question below.
Welcome to our magical fairy tale world, where little boys and girls come to have fun, looking for magical letters and their associated animals and things. Learning here is so much fun. Today, Amy, Bobby, and Nancy are playing a super fun game called Alphabet Scavenger Hunt.
Amy, I think Nancy went this way, so we should go that way. We have so many letters to find. This is gonna be so much fun. Let's go, Amy.
I found the letter A. A is for apple.
Look! I found the letter B. B is for butterfly. Check out this beautiful butterfly fluttering in front of me.
Wow, I found the letter C. C is for cat. This cat is so soft and cute. Do you like cats? If you have any cats at home, I would love to hear some funny cat stories from you sometime.
Over here, I found the letter D. D is for dragon. What a cute little dragon. I wonder if Mom would let me keep him.
This way. I found the letter E. E is for elephant.
Bobby and Amy argue for a while over who gets to ride the elephant first.
Yay! I found the letter F. F is for flower.
This flower matches my outfit perfectly.
Look what I found. It's the letter G. G is for giraffe. Maybe if I climb up to the top of this giant G, I can hop on the giraffe.
Wow! I found the letter H. H is for hat. That H looks so beautiful. I think I'll just sit here with my nice hat and admire it for a bit. Here it is. The letter I. I is for ice cream.
Do you guys want to try my ice cream? It's so yummy. Hooray! I found the letter J. J is for jellyfish.
I think this baby jellyfish is looking for its mommy. We are finding so many letters. Look, I found the letter K. K is for kite.
Can I fly the kite for a little while, Bobby? Look, I found the letter L. L is for lion. Wow, you are so big and strong, Mr. Lion. Can you roar for me?
Don't be afraid, Amy. He won't eat you. I think he is full.
I found the letter M. M is for moon. Wow, this moon is so bright and pretty.
Look at this one. I found the letter N. N is for nest. I'm a little hungry now. I think I will just sit in this nice nest and wait for Mama Bird to bring me some food.
Yay! I found the letter O. O is for owl. Oh boy, what a beautiful owl. Hello, Mr. Owl.
Over here, I found the letter P. P is for penguin. Do you know what penguins eat? I think this one is a little hungry.
This way! I found the letter Q. Q is for queen.
It looks like Bobby likes playing with this giant Q.
Wow! I found the letter R. R is for rainbow. I think I see a pot of gold at the end of this rainbow.
Here it is, the letter S. S is for star. I can almost reach this tiny star. Come here, little guy.
Hooray! I found the letter T. T is for train. Let's see how fast this little train will go. Choo 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 choo. Choo choo choo. Look out, Mr. T.
Look what I found. It's the letter U. U is for umbrella. Who wants to use my umbrella? The sun is getting pretty hot.
Almost there. I found the letter V. V is for violin. I love playing my violin on Sunday mornings in the park.
Wow, I found the letter W. W is for whale. Bobby, watch out. The whale is coming to give you a kiss. Here it is, the letter X. X is for xylophone. Do you like this little xylophone? Can you play it?
Yay! I found the letter Y. The letter Y is for yak. You're a very interesting looking animal, Mr. Yak. Cute and interesting.
Bobby, you should pet this little yak. He is so soft.
Last one. I found the letter Z. Z is for zebra.
Amazing. We found all the letters. This was such a fun game.
What a fun alphabet scavenger hunt. Amy, Bobby, and Nancy found all the letters from A to Z. Do you like this game? Join us on our next alphabet scavenger hunt.
See you tomorrow. That's the end of our quick video production. We hope you like it. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you soon.